Hey y'all, this message comes because I see so many people that are ready to blast the next person's faults or mistakes. And I know that can be really disheartening when you're trying to do the right thing. So we need to commit to being excellent and trying our best at all that we do. We have to stop addressing our haters and start acknowledging our supporters. Focus more on the positive and not the negative. Because whether you're doing the wrong thing or the right thing, someone is going to have an opinion. Someone is going to have some judgment for you. And if you focus on that, it will do nothing but deter you from your full potential, from where you're trying to get, from what you're trying to do and where you're trying to go. So stop, because you're going to make a mistake. You're going to mess up, and things aren't going to always go the way you want them to go. And please believe there's somebody waiting. They're waiting on you to mess up. They're waiting on you to do something so that they can point it out, because they are always there and they are miserable and they have nothing else to do but wait for you to mess up. But we can't worry about them. We can't give them the glory, because we already know who deserves the glory. So we can't give that to them. So yes, please stop acknowledging haters. Don't even give them the time of day. Don't argue. Don't do that. Show and prove. Talk less and work more. And I know that's hard sometimes, because you wanna voice. You have a passion. You have a passion, and you have a want, and you have a desire that is for the good, and you want to put that out there. But sometimes we gotta hold back. Sometimes we got to hold back just a little bit, because there's people out there who, because they don't have it, because they don't understand it, they want to shoot it down. And you can't let that happen. You can't let that happen. You can't let anyone shoot your dreams down or shoot your vision down because they don't understand it. It's not for them to understand. It was given to you. It was given to you for you to carry out. It's not for anyone else to understand. So you share your dreams, you share your vision. If you can't make somebody understand, that means that they're not supposed to be a part of it. Because those who get you, those who get your vision and your dreams, they will get it. And even if they don't fully understand it, they will support it. So stop trying to turn these unbelievers, these haters, into supporters and motivators, because that's not going to happen, and you're just wasting your time, and you're holding yourself back from your destiny. So take it or leave it.